In today's world of endless choice, brands are constantly competing to gain market share. One way to achieve this at low cost is to form a brand partnership. What is co-branding? Co-branding involves taking the strongest element from your brand and combining it with a complementary brand to create a new product or service. It works by increasing the customer base and creating new market exposure, which increases visibility, reach, and sales for both brands. The partnership between Spotify and Uber is a great example. Your Ride, Your Music is a unique service and, as with any good partnership, the arrangement cuts both ways. Uber gets value add and an exclusive advantage, and Spotify gets to differentiate from competitors iTunes and YouTube whilst incentivizing users to upgrade to premium level. How do you choose a brand partner? When choosing to co-brand, it's important to find a partner whose business or market will complement your own. Both brands should share a similar, if not the same, market, but offer different products. But due to the symbiotic nature of co-branding, choosing the wrong partner can also have disastrous consequences. Any negative publicity to one brand is likely to be transferred just by association. While co-branding has its risks, the potential rewards make it a lucrative option for many businesses.